Home renovations can cost a fortune, and one of the highest cost projects can be replacing your kitchen cabinets. There is a way to update the look of your kitchen without that huge investment. If your cabinets are in good condition, EasyCare has just the product. Our EasyCare cabinet trim and door paint can provide a long-lasting, durable finish, updating the look of your kitchen without that huge cost. EasyCare cabinet trim and door paint is formulated with a urethane fortified resin that will withstand constant interaction, holding up much better than a standard wall paint. Furthermore, it's engineered to provide a smooth, factory-like finish with superior flow and level, virtually eliminating all brush and roller marks. First, remove all of your doors, drawers, and hardware. Then, map out your cabinets, assigning locations for each, and place the hardware in labeled bags for easy reinstallation. This is also a good time to inspect your cabinets and repair any gouges or imperfections and fill with wood filler. If you plan on replacing your cabinet hardware and it doesn't align with the old, take this opportunity to fill in those holes and drill your new ones. Now on to step 2. Next, you can either sand all surfaces with a fine grit sandpaper, making sure to get into all the nooks and crevices. Now, if you choose this method, make sure you vacuum all surfaces to get rid of any sanding dust, followed by using a tack cloth to remove any remaining sanding dust. Another option is to use the EasyCare acrylic urethane bonding primer. Now this creates an extremely hard, durable film that will hang onto the surface and allow your cabinet paint to grab a hold and hang on for good. Step 3. Apply the paint using a high quality brush or a short nap roller. Make sure to apply the paint in thin, even coats. To achieve the best protection and longest lasting paint film, apply 3 thin coats. The paint will dry within an hour and can be reapplied within 2 hours. I would highly recommend waiting at least 24 hours after the final coat before reattaching your cabinet hardware and reattaching the doors. Don't forget, EasyCare cabinet trim and door paint is a great option for cabinets, but is also a great choice on doors, trim, and if you'd want to repurpose furniture. EasyCare cabinet trim and door paint comes in bases that allows you to pick any color you can dream up. It comes in quarts and gallons and is a beautiful satin finish. Coverage is around 350 to 400 square foot per gallon. When remodeling on a budget, look to EasyCare cabinet trim and door paint.